Hi there, it's Tim. Today I went out to shoot for a local Canadian company called Chateau, specifically for their 2018 spring lineup. I find that photographers and models and even friends have asked me in the past, what goes into a shoot just like this? Well, the first thing that has to happen is for the client to call me, obviously, and then they share their idea for the shoot. I then talk about the look and the feel for the shoot, and then I put together a call sheet. It's the photographer's responsibility to book the models for commercial and collaborative shoots. So throughout the year, I do test shoots with models, sometimes either with established industry agency models, and other times just newer models, sometimes called fresh faces. It's during these shoots that I get to see what the model is like, their energy, confidence in front of the camera, and a host of other attributes. This makes it super easy for me when the stylist calls from, for example, in this case, Le Chateau, for me to recommend particular models. For today's shoot, my choice was Julia and Kelsey. Both are wonderful and flexible to work with, and their modeling is on point. We make a shooting date, and then I share the call sheet with the models, and in this case, invite a second shooter, Guiseppe, to be a photographer on the shoot as well. I also invited a videographer to shoot the behind the scenes. It's also really important to work with other photographers and video makers. I have shot with Guiseppe before. He comes to me, in fact, we meet up quite often at the YouTubers Videography Meetups that I run every fortnight. And so I know what he's like to shoot with. I've actually shot with him before. In fact, I've even shot with him for Le Chateau in the past. He has a terrific eye for detail, and I know he'll capture images that the client will like. I also chose Michael for the exact same reason. He's an established filmmaker here in Victoria, also comes to the meetups every fortnight, and I know that he'll work really well with the team and capture some terrific footage. Over the next days or weeks, the stylist, in this case Trevor, will share his ideas, and I then figure out the location for the shoot. I figure out locations by driving around, visiting parts around Victoria and even the island. Here's some footage of me checking out an abandoned church, a winery, and a remote hotel looking for interesting places to shoot. Inside the call sheet is information on the date, the location, the expected length of the shoot, makeup and hair information, starting time, where to meet, and of course important phone numbers, like my cell number. I will also share a mood board or a look board so that everyone is on the same page. I also share the travel arrangements so that everybody knows how they're going to get there, and from there how they're going to get to the next location, etc. On the day of the shoot, I ensure my camera equipment is charged up, lighting is packed. Even if I don't plan on using it, I still bring LED lighting and strobes, just in case. I'm a big fan of being positive, enthusiastic, and encouraging on set. I imagine how would I like to be treated, and try to ensure that there's little stress for everyone. At Le Chateau, the stylist was amazing. Trevor had all the dresses and outfits with jewelry ready to go. Once I saw the dresses, we discussed which outfits would work with the specific locations. The models arrived and started trying everything on, and the second shooter and videographer arrived and took some behind-the-scenes photos. Once the outfits are ready to go, we all pile into one or two cars and make our way to the first location. In today's shoot, I went to an abandoned industrial lot. I shoot with both models and then break out and shoot just one. While I'm shooting with Kelsey, my second shooter is taking shots of the other model, Julia. After a while we switch, and then it's time to wrap up and make our way to the next location.
Hi there, it's Tim, and I'm here with Guiseppe and Michael, which is right there, and we got Julia, and we got Kelsey, and way off in the corner we have our awesome stylist, Trevor. Trevor, what are we doing today?
We're taking photos of these amazing dresses that are covered up by their jackets for our Spring-Summer 2018 Le Chateau Victoria campaign.
Awesome. So far they've been awesome. We've got Guiseppe here doing second shooting, Michael here holding the camera for video background, Julia and Kelsey being awesome models, and our amazing stylist Trevor. Thank you all for coming together. Take a look at some of the shots we took, and make sure you're following Trevor at
Le Chateau Mayfair
and
Pre-Mac Attack.
Perfect. Kelsey?
Kelsey.Ellen.
Awesome. And Julia?
Julia.Buckin.
Perfect. Michael and Guiseppe, do you guys have Instagram accounts? No. Don't follow them. Follow me. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.
Today we shot downtown, so we stopped at a local coffee shop where I treated the crew to hot drinks and tea. This is also helpful so the girls could change to outfit number 2. It's also a time I find the team can bond more, the models can regain some of the energy and relax a bit. Again, it's how I would want to be treated on a photo shoot. The theme was urban and fun, so we shot at the crosswalk, thank you Beatles, and then made our way to a parking lot and Century building for some editorial style photos. Again, the second shooter and I work the same way. I find it's really important to get more than one location for a brand. In this way, you can help tell a story through the photos for the brand and keep on message. It was back to the coffee shop for the last change, and then we all hopped into the cars and crossed town to the legislature buildings. I had seen in my travels a brand new government building. It was chilly, and it was recommended that I pop inside the new building and ask security if we could take some photos. They were only too happy to let us shoot. This meant the models didn't get too cold in their business attire outfits. We finished up taking a few shots outside the building and then crossing the street for some extra shots behind the Parliament buildings, utilizing the beautiful fountain. I like to make the last shoot the fun one. The models can relax, and I can capture some wonderful, candid images. I'll also communicate the shoot is almost over in case they're a bit cold and tired. It allows the models to push through to the end. Having shot at 3 locations gives a variety to the client and an opportunity to showcase their clothing in different locales and makes it lots of fun to shoot. It can be challenging as each location will have different light, wind, and today it was a lot cooler closer to the water. The models were fantastic. The stylist, second shooter, and videographer amazing, and the team came together really well. I can't shoot larger jobs without a team, and working and collaborating with people is the only way to make it happen. Happy shooting.